ladies and gentlemen, I am very, very excited right now. I'm about to try a burger that I never tried before. Courtesy of Carl's Jr. Carl, please don't let me down, dog. Already been like that. I've been disappointed by McDonald's, Jack in the Box, Taco Bell, Yoshinoya. Burger King almost killed me a couple of weeks ago. So please, don't let me down. But we're about to try the Hangover Burger. Hangover Burger. The picture looked good. But in person, let's see if she tastes good, dog. Let me open this. Well, here we have her. She looks good. She smells good. But does she taste good? Let's undress her. The picture looked good, dog. That's all I can say. What? Homie. Carl, this is false advertising, dog. This looks nothing like the picture. Oh my God. You know what? I'm not gonna judge her by her looks, dog. I'm gonna put her in my mouth and let's see how she tastes. This has bacon, a beef patty, and hash browns. That's it. Where's the egg at? Is that an egg? Oh, that is an egg. Okay, bacon, egg, a beef patty, and hash browns. Let's taste her. Nothing like the picture. You know what, Carl? I'm gonna be straight up, dog. I'm gonna keep it real. I'm gonna keep it 118, homie. Personally, dog, I'm gonna eat it because I love food, right? But would I get this again? Nah. Hell no. Tom Jr., I'll be back over there. Forgive me for going somewhere else to get fed.